5 things Silverados that reached 500,000 miles have in common. I analyzed dozens of high-mileage Silverados, talked to their owners, found patterns. 1999 through 2013, GMT 800 and GMT 900. These aren't accidents, these are choices. Subscribe. Your Silverado can join the 500K club. What separates Silverados that die at 150 from those that hit 500,000? It's not luck. It's not better parts from the factory. It's what the owner does consistently, day after day, year after year. 5 things appear every single time in high-mileage trucks. Let's go. First thing, religious oil changes. Every single 500K Silverado has perfect oil change records. Not when I remember, not when the light comes on, not when I have time. Every 5,000 miles, no exceptions, ever, rain or shine. Some use synthetic, some use conventional. Doesn't matter as much as consistency. The engine doesn't care about your busy schedule. It cares about clean oil. Owners who hit 500K treat oil changes like birthdays. They never forget, never postpone. Miss 3 oil changes, you won't see 300,000 miles, guaranteed. Oil is the cheapest insurance your engine has. Simple math, clean oil equals long life. Second, they fix small problems immediately. High-mileage truck owners don't ignore warning signs. They don't wait and see. Check engine light comes on, diagnosed same week, not next month. Transmission shifts funny, checked immediately, not after it gets worse. Coolant leak, fixed before it becomes a big problem. Unusual noise, investigated immediately. Low-mileage trucks die because owners ignore problems until they're catastrophic. High-mileage trucks survive because problems get caught early. A $200 sensor replacement today prevents a $5,000 engine rebuild tomorrow. These owners understand preventative maintenance isn't an expense, it's an insurance against bigger bills. They treat their Silverado like their health. Small symptoms get immediate attention. Third thing, they never skip fluid services. Transmission fluid, differential fluid, coolant, brake fluid, power steering fluid. Every single fluid gets changed on schedule, sometimes early, never late. I talked to a guy with 600,000 miles, changes transmission fluid every 50,000, no exceptions. Another owner with 550, differential fluid every 30,000 because he tows regularly. These aren't manufacturer recommendations. These are survivor strategies from the field. Fluids are cheap compared to what they protect. Rebuilds are expensive. High-mileage owners know this math cold. They've done the calculations. Spend $500 on fluids or $5,000 on rebuilds. Easy choice. Fourth, they drive like the truck matters. Not babying it, but not beating it either. Smart driving. They warm up the engine before hard acceleration. Let it reach operating temperature. Don't floor it from cold starts. Don't tow heavy without proper cool-down periods. Not because the manual says so, because they want another 100,000 miles. Driving style matters more than people think, way more. 2 identical Silverados, same year, same miles. One driven aggressive, one driven smooth. The smooth one outlasts by 200,000 miles every single time. These owners treat acceleration like it costs money, because long-term, it absolutely does. They understand the transmission and engine last longer with gentle inputs. Fifth thing, they keep detailed records of everything. Every oil change, every repair, every fluid service, every part replaced, everything documented. Not because they're obsessive, because knowledge is power. When something goes wrong, they know the complete history, makes diagnosis easier, prevents duplicate work. I met owners with binders full of receipts going back 15 years, every single service. Spreadsheets tracking every maintenance item, photos of every major repair. Sounds crazy until you realize their trucks have 3 times the mileage of average trucks. Records prove what works, show patterns before they become a problem, prevent costly mistakes. They can tell you exactly when the last fluid change happened, no guessing. High mileage isn't luck, it's documentation and discipline working together. 5 things 500K Silverados have in common: religious oil changes, fix small problems immediately, never skip fluid services, drive like it matters, keep detailed records of everything. How many of these 5 do you do consistently? Be honest, comment your number. None of these are expensive. All of them are discipline and commitment. Your Silverado can absolutely hit 500,000 miles. Follow these 5 things starting today. Like, share, and subscribe. Wednesday, GMT 800 versus GMT 900. Which generation actually lasts longer? Join the 500K club. Start with thing number 1 today. See you Wednesday, Silverado family.